Hello everyone and welcome back. So this is a very quick tip about batch renaming your assets in your content browser. Here, as you can see, I have these textures and I want to add t underscore as a prefix to these guys here. If I go one by one, it's going to be very tedious, and when you have a lot of assets and you want to do the rename, it's going to be a very tedious task. Here in your plugins, you have this batch renamer plugin. Enable this, restart your editor, and now you are able to select your assets, right click, and here use this awesome batch rename plugin. Just open it up, and now here, as you can see, we can do a lot of things here. We can remove the old prefix of the assets. We can also work with the suffixes as well. In this case, I just want to add a prefix, so I'm going to go with t underscore. And here, as you can see, I have the old version here and the new version here, which is a very cool thing that we have here. And we also have other settings here. You can play with them based your needs, and just hit apply, and boom, we have renamed everything with just a couple of clicks.